This tutorial will teach you how to set up the default answer function in the web dashboard. Start by creating a new audit or opening an existing audit template and then select a subchapter. Next, open a question for which you would like to set a default answer. To do this, click on the 2 ticks icon in the right-hand menu and mark the appropriate answer. Repeat these steps for all questions that may be answered automatically with a default option. To speed up audit installation, you can also use question templates for which a default answer has already been preset. To cancel a selection you have previously made, click on the symbol with the 2 ticks again. Please keep in mind that the default answer function is only available for questions with points, regardless of whether they are mandatory or non-applicable questions. Despite highlighting checkpoints with the default answer option within the app, you should think about a comprehensible system that auditors know how to proceed with non-applicable or optional questions in conjunction with default answers. Once all relevant checkpoints have been processed, you need to save and publish the audit. In an additional tutorial, we will show you how to use this feature in the app. Thanks to the default answers, auditors can concentrate on documenting deviations and save themselves the time-consuming process of confirming all successful questions.